Hello guys, so this is a squishy tag for you guys. So yeah, let's just get started. So first question, which is your smallest squishy? So that's what I'll be showing you. The smallest squishy is this panda bun. This panda bun. This panda bun. This panda bun. These two my melodies. This cream puff. And yeah, that's it for my smallest. Oh, and one more, this bun. So these are all the small squishies that I have. So yeah. Next question, which is your squishiest squishy? So the squishiest squishy I have is like this one. This one. This one. This. 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 And this. So these are the squishiest squishy that I have. So yeah. Next is my biggest squishy. My biggest squishy is like this waffle. This waffle. And yeah. Next is my most realistic squishy. My most realistic squishy is this cream puff and this bun. So yeah. Next question is my hardest squishy, which is this cat, which I can't even squish. So yeah, super hard. So yeah. And the next question would be my rarest squishy. My rarest squishy, I think that it is this one, because I don't think any of you have this. This one. This one. These two. And this one. So these are my rarest squishy. So yeah. Next question would be my favorite squishy. And I don't really have a favorite squishy because I love all my squishies, but there are some that I really love. So yeah, and they are this Hello Kitty and Apple squishy, this My Melody squishy, and yeah. And yeah, that's all. And next question would be my most expensive squishy. And my most expensive squishy is this one, which costs $12.90. So, this is my tag video for you guys, my squishy tag video for you guys. Please ask more questions about my squishies and I will definitely answer you. Just all you need to do is just tell me in the comment below, and yeah, if you find that I did a good job, do like this video or even comment on this video. Thanks for watching this squishy tag video, and yeah, bye guys.